What food should I eat? What clothes should I wear? What career should I choose? Which college should I get into? Should I be doing a master's degree? What kind of friends should I make? Are these a few questions that you keep asking yourself? And yet, there is some amount of confusion in them every time you think. Well, here we are today to help you make these decisions effectively and help you manage and cope up with the stress that are caused due to a few bad decisions. According to me, life is as simple as ABCD, wherein A represents the person, B represents his birth, D represents his death, and C, the most important one, represents the choices that he makes throughout his life, right from birth till his death. The ability to choose is one of the greatest gifts. We always have a choice. Whether to consider it or not is also our choice. Sometimes it is not the confusion but the self-doubt that's stopping you from taking a decision. You know what you should be doing, but you're scared of making a decision, thinking that it might turn wrong. I often believe that making a decision, even a bad decision, is better than making no decision at all. But always remember that a good decision is taken from a calm mind.
Decision making. Decision making is a process of making choices by identifying a decision, gathering information, and assessing alternative resolution. Using a step-by-step decision making a process can help you make more deliberate through decision by organizing relevant information and defining alternatives. Decision making is an integral part of modern management. Essentially, rational or sound decision make it taken as primary function of management. Every manager takes hundreds and hundreds of decisions subconsciously or consciously, making it as a key component in the role of manager. Decision play important role as they determine both organizational and management activities. A decision can be defined as a course of action purposely chosen from a set of alternatives to achieve organizational objectives or goals. Decision-making process is continuous and indispensable component of managing any organization or business activity. Decisions are made to sustain the activities of all business activity and organizational function. Decisions are made at every level of management to ensure organizational or business goals are achieved. Further, the decision make up one of core functional values that every organization adopt and implement to ensure optimal growth and stability in terms of product offered. 7 steps to effective decision making. First is identify the decision. Second, gather information. Third, identify alternative. Fourth, reach the average. Fifth, choose among alternative. Six, take action. 7, review your decision.
Hey guys, good afternoon. I would like to talk about how to manage stress. In my understanding, stress management, we manage things which are precious to us. Our family, our business, our money, our property, our relationship, etc. etc. Whatever is precious to us, we will manage it. Stress is not part of you. You got stressful because you don't know how to manage stress. 3 ways for management of stress. First is event has no meaning, but you give the meaning to the event. Event means situation. Situation has no meaning. It can any kind of. For example, आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ बाहर घूमने जा रहे हो और बीच रास्ते में आपकी गाड़ी पंचर हो गई, तो अगर आप उस इवेंट ये इवेंट है, अगर आप उस इवेंट को पॉजिटिव लेंगे तो आप स्ट्रेसफुल नहीं होंगे, आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ एंजॉय करेंगे, पूरा हॉलीडे एंजॉय करेंगे गाड़ी कहीं पंचर करवाने के बाद। अगर आप उस स्ट्रेस को नेगेटिवली लेंगे तो आप कुछ स्ट्रेसफुल होंगे, आप नेगेटिव हो गए, आपका मूड तो ऑफ हो गए, आपके साथ साथ आपकी फैमिली का भी मूड ऑफ हो जाएगा और पूरे हॉलीडे की पेन में जाएगी। इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू मैनेज योर स्ट्रेस, you become a warrior, not be worried. Worry means don't worry about your stress. Second way for managing stress. Things turn out best for those who have made the best out of the way the things have turned out. If you turn to negative, you behave negative. If you turn to positive, you behave positive. So always become a river, not go in reverse. I can repeat. So always become a river, not go in reverse. आपको हमेशा रिवर की तरह आगे चलना है, पीछे नहीं चलना है. पीछे जो कुछ भी हुआ उसे भूल कर आगे की ओर फोकस करना है, इन फ्यूचर की ओर. ओके. एंड थर्ड वे फॉर मैनेजिंग स्ट्रेस, you don't behave based on what has happened to you. You behave based on what you feel what has happened to you. I can repeat. You don't behave based on what happened to you. You behave based on what you feel what has happened to you. This is all about how to handle your stress. Means how to manage your stress. Thank you.
I am going to share a small story, an inspirational story on stress management. Once a psychologist was teaching stress management to an audience. When he raised a glass of water, everyone expected to hear a usual question: is the glass half empty or half full? But he asked with a smile, how much does this glass of water weigh? And the answer were weird, from 200 grams to 400 grams or 500 grams. Then he answered, the real weight of the glass is not so important, but what matters is how long I hold the glass in my hand for. And if I hold it for 1 minute, there won't be any kind of problem with me. But if I hold it for a whole hour, my arm will to edge. And if I hold it for a whole day, my arm will go completely numb. The weight of the glass doesn't change of any of these cases, but the longer I hold it for, the heavier the glass will seem to be. And the stress and the problem of our lives are like this glass of water. If you think little about them, nothing's happened. But if you think more about them or a lot, then you feel a pain. You start feeling pain, and if you do so for a whole day, you feel paralyzed and unable to achieve anything. It's important to let go of your stresses and your worries. Don't ponder and carry them for hours and days and months. Don't forget to lower and let go the glass today. Thank you.
Here we come towards the end of our topic, but let me just conclude it. So, success in any undertaking requires the element of risk, which with each element of risk there comes the fear of failure. This fear of failure will naturally perhaps turn into stress, and how to handle this stress will make the difference between the success and the failure. Now, in order to explain you or to brief you about the power of decision management skill, let me give you an example from one of the greatest scholar of our Indian history, चाणक्य. चाणक्य जी कहते हैं कि असंभव दिखने वाला निर्णय क्या होता है? एक ऐसा निर्णय जो लिया जा सकता है. तो कितनी भी मुश्किल परिस्थिति क्यों ना हो, निर्णय लो. समस्या से भागोगे तो समस्या तुम्हें खा जाएगी. इससे अच्छा है कि समस्या तुम्हें खाए, उससे पहले तुम ही समस्या को समाप्त कर दो, जड़ से उखाड़ फेंक दो. तो चलो उठो, काम पे लग जाओ. ये क्या, उठो उठो.